So now we're going to go into the annual average TREB MLS system sale price. So the historical data from 1975 to 2025. As you'll see on the chart here, in 1989, the prices peaked at an average price of $273,698 for the average home in 1989. Then in the span of 7 years, it continued to dip year over year consistently for 7 years and hit a rock bottom in 1996 of an average price of $198,317. So over the span of those 7 years, prices dropped 27.54%. Then we had a 20-year straight increase with a 1-year dip in 2018, and then a 4-year rise to the peak of 2022, where we saw an average selling price of $1,193,771. This was the peak of 2022. And now, most recently, over the span of the last 3 years, we've continued to see a decline in prices. And year to date 2025, we have an average price of $1,071,757. So over the span of those 3 years, we've had a 10.22% drop in price. That being said, based on this data, my predictions are 3 things could happen. Either A, if history repeats itself and it is worse than the big drop in the 1990s, then that means this next cycle could last longer than 7 years, which I think is highly unlikely due to the increase of population that we have. The second option is it could repeat the same as it did 30 years ago, which means if we are already heading into year 4, that means we have about 3 to 4 more years left of this downward trend. Or the most probable situation, we've hit close to the bottom and now the market should be picking up and prices should increase. So if you're looking to buy, this is some good information to keep in mind.